Toyota just dropped something that nobody saw coming. And honestly, I think this thing is about to steal the entire compact SUV segment. This is the 2027 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser GR Sport. And if you think this is just a smaller Land Cruiser, you are dead wrong. This is a whole new animal. Let's start with what you're looking at right now. That front fascia is massive. For something this size, full-width LED light bar, stretching edge to edge, a squared-off grille that screams Land Cruiser DNA, and those chunky red fog light accents down low that give it this aggressive, almost military-ready stance. Toyota did not hold back. Swing around to the side, and the proportions just make sense. High roofline, short overhangs, beefy all-terrain tires, and body cladding that wraps all the way around. There is a charging port cut out right there on the front fender. Yes, hybrid confirmed. And those 18-inch matte wheels, chef's kiss. Now the rear, Toyota went full signature here. A full-width LED tail light bar, with the Toyota lettering lit up right in the middle. Dual exhaust tips flanking a tough skid plate. GR Sport badge sitting right there. Clean, bold, no confusion about what this is. Step inside, and things get seriously premium. Up front, you've got a massive panoramic infotainment display, a floating center console, and that wild crystal blue gear selector that just glows like something out of a concept car. Except this is real. Light gray and charcoal two-tone, aluminum pedals, fully digital cluster. This is dialed in, slide to the back, and Toyota absolutely nailed it. Captain-style rear seats, two-tone bolstering, a rear entertainment screen between the headrests, dedicated rear AC vents, and ambient lighting strips running down both doors. This is not a budget compact SUV. This is a statement. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets interesting. Under the hood, Toyota is running a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid with around 260 to 280 horsepower and twin electric motors giving you full-time four-wheel drive. 0 to 60, low 6-second range. Not bad for a hybrid off-roader. Pricing starts at around $42,000 for the base GR Sport, going up to about $52,000 fully loaded. That puts it right in the sweet spot, and the competition is no joke. Ford Bronco Sport, Jeep Compass Trailhawk, Hyundai Tucson N-Line. They're all gunning for this same buyer, but none of them carry that Land Cruiser badge. And none of them look like this doing it. Toyota might have just done something incredible here. If you want to see more renders and a deeper breakdown of the specs, subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a comment telling me what color you'd order this in. I'm going pearl white, but that's just me.